Hello dear friends, welcome to Cognitionize Adda. So let's talk about what we will know in this class. So firstly I shall tell you about computer units. That is 4 bits equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits equal to 1 byte, 1 kilobit per second is equal to 125 bytes per second, 1 megabit per second is equal to 0.125 megabytes per second. 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 terabyte. 1024 terabyte is equal to 1 petabyte. 1024 petabyte is equal to 1 exabyte. 1024 exabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte, and 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. So we will start from bit and byte. A bit is a binary digit, the smallest increment of data on a computer. A bit can hold only one of two values, 0 or 1, corresponding to the electrical values of, off, or on respectively. Because bits are so small, you are rarely work with information 1 bit at a time. Bits are usually assembled into a group of 8 to form a byte. A byte contains enough information to store a single ASCII characters like H. Here I would like to tell you about ASCII. ASCII is the acronym for the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a code for representing 128 English characters as numbers, with each letter assigned a number from 0 to 127. For example, the ASCII code for uppercase M is 77. Executable programs are never stored in ASCII format. So let's talk about kilobyte. A kilobyte is a 1024 bytes, not 1000 byte, as might be expected, because computer use binary base 2 math instead of a decimal base 10 system. Computer storage and memory is often measured in megabytes and gigabytes. A medium-sized novel contains about 1 MB of information. 1 MB is equal to 1024 kilobytes, or 1024 into 1024 bytes, not 1 million bytes. Let's talk about information of other units. Similarly, 1 GB is 1024 MB, or 1024 into 1024 into 1024 bytes. A terabyte is 1024 GB. A TB is about the same amount of information as all of the books in a large library, or roughly 1610 CDs worth of data. A petabyte is 1024 TB. 1 PB of data, if written on DVDs, would create roughly 2,23,100 DVDs. I stack about 878 feet tall, or a stack of CD a mile high. Indiana University is now building a storage system capable of holding petabytes of data. An exabyte EB is 1024 PB. A zettabyte is 1024 EB. Finally, a yottabyte is 1024 ZB. Less space on the hard disk. Many hard drive manufacturers use a decimal number system to define amounts of storage space. As a result, 1 MB is defined as 1 million bytes, 1 GB is defined as 1 billion bytes, and so on. Since your computer uses a binary system as mentioned above, you may notice a discrepancy between your hard drive published capacity and the capacity acknowledged by your computer. For example, a hardware drive that is said to contain 10 GB of storage space using a decimal system is actually capable of storing 10 billion bytes. However, in a binary system, 10 GB is 10737418240 bytes. As a result, instead of acknowledging 10 GB, your computer will acknowledge 9.31 GB. This is not a malfunction but a matter of different definitions. So there is last topic. We count in base in 10 by powers of 10, means 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10, 10 to the power 2 equal to 10 into 10 equal to 100, 10 to the power 3 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 1000. There is so on. But computers counts by base 2. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. There is so on. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you everyone.